Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi Makkala. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show some very effective breathing exercises or pranayama for asthma. Asthma is a condition in which the air passages swell and they become narrow. So because of this it may cause difficulty in breathing and cough, whistling sound or wheezing sound, and also shortness of breath. Because these narrow air passages produce excess mucus and lungs will be filled with mucus. That's how we cannot breathe properly, and there will be shortness of breath. This is an allergic condition, and usually it is triggered by strong smells or dust, pollens or cold weather, or even stress sometimes triggers this asthmatic attack. So the breathing exercises which I am going to show today are very effective. You can completely cure asthma. Many of my friends have practiced and they cured it completely. So please do practice regularly and cure yourself completely at home. Okay, so let's start. Important breathing exercise which is very beneficial for curing completely asthma is Ujjayi breathing. So this also helps to increase the heat inside our body. If you practice this breathing exercise regularly, you can completely cure your asthma, because when we breathe in, when we do this Ujjayi breathing, we constrict our throat. This kind of sound we have to do when we breathe in and constrict our throat and breathe in the air. So when we constrict and breathe in, the air which is going is heated up. And when we apply chin lock or the Jalandhar Bandha. So when you apply this chin lock, the air inside the lungs will move more down and it evaporates all the mucus, excess mucus which is there in the accumulated in the lungs will be evaporated by the heated air. So this is very beneficial for asthma patients. So first learn properly and then follow it regularly. Okay, sit straight, back straight. Apply Gyan Mudra with both hands. Constrict your throat. So with that sound you need to breathe in. After breathing in, hold. And now apply chin lock. Just touch your chin to the chest. Hold here 4 counts. Now lift up. Again with that sound you have to breathe out from nose. So this is how we need to breathe in, constricting your throat with that sound, typical sound of Ujjayi, and apply chin lock completely. Press your chin to the chest and count in your mind 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again lift. So when you apply chin lock, you are not supposed to breathe in or breathe out. You just need to hold your breath. So that is very important. You should follow this. And as I said, for breathing, hold breath, hold your breath, apply chin lock, count 4 and lift up, breathe out completely. Okay, this is how we need to do, but with the constriction of throat and with that sound. Okay, just follow. So this is how we need to do, properly learn and then practice. It's very, very beneficial. Okay. And one more important breathing exercise or pranayam is Bhastrika. This is also very, very important pranayam, as it increases heat and also it helps to clean our lungs of all the carbon dioxide which is accumulated because of shallow breathing. Usually, as I said, asthmatic patients do shallow breathing because of the narrowed down air passages. So we have to remove the carbon dioxide. Bhastrika helps to remove that excess carbon dioxide which is there in our lungs. Okay. There are many ways, many people teach in different ways, but what I follow, I am teaching, and it's very, very beneficial. Okay, so for that, back straight, breathe in here with stretch hands, open your fingers. So when you breathe out, forceful breathe out, you have to do, I am showing slowly, but just learn, and bring your hands, making fist. Bring your hands beside your shoulders, and with the elbows you have to hit your sides of your chest or lungs. Okay, breathe in here, forceful breathe out from nose, and hit your hands or elbows to your sides. Okay, not in the front, in the sides, and also fist should be beside your shoulders. Okay, this is how we need to do. I'll show, first learn properly and practice. Immediately you can feel the heat. Okay, so this Bhastrika, just try to count in your mind. Do 15 times and then relax for 30 seconds. Just relax, close eyes and open your palms and relax. Observe the energy flow. You can feel a lot of energy and the blood flowing to your head and down. So this is very, very good. Also it helps to increase the blood supply to the brain. And if there is any clot or small blockages in the brain, also will be cured and relieved, like blood clots. So it's very, very good, but only the contraindication for Bhastrika is people who are suffering from high BP or high blood pressure. Please do not do this, because a lot of blood goes to the head, so already you have high BP, so do not try this. You can try all other breathing exercises, but not Bhastrika. Okay, so this is how we need to do 15, then take a break of 30 counts, 30 seconds, just take a break and observe the energy flow. Again do for 15 counts, again take a break and again do. So like the 3 rounds you have to do. Okay, so you will feel the difference. Immediately you start sweating and you can feel the, when you take a break, you just feel and observe the energy flow and the blood flow. Okay, we'll do one more time. And relax, eyes closed, palms open, relax and observe the energy flow. And observe the heat inside your body. Okay friends, so do practice these very, very beneficial breathing exercises and cure your asthma completely at home. No need of going for any medicines. Surya Vedana or sun breathing. So this is to increase the heat inside our body. Surya Vedana or right nostril breathing. So we close the left nostril and do only breathe in, breathe out from right side. As I told in my previous videos also, many times I tell, right side is the sun energy, which is hot, strong, energy, strength, and left side is moon energy, which is cool, peaceful, calming and relaxing. So we need to increase the heat inside our body. When you do this sun breathing, overall heat inside our body is increased, and also it helps to evaporate this excess mucus and helps for curing asthma. So this also helps, this breathing also helps for proper digestion, metabolic rate is increased, and it increases immunity and also helps to cure asthma. Okay, let's start. Apply Gyan Mudra with the right hand, back straight. With the left hand, fingers, close the left nostril. Just press it and close. Slow and deep breathing, quiet breathing, only from right side. As I said, it's moon energy, so we have to increase the heat. Keep your eyes closed and focus your mind on your breath. This helps to also relieve your stress and tension. So close eyes, close the left nostril. Keep observing the depth of your breath. And relax. So this is how we need to do, but try to do for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, next one is forceful breathing. So this helps to clean the lungs. So when we breathe in, breathe out, so many dust particles and bacteria also may enter. So we have to clean our lungs regularly and remove that accumulated carbon dioxide, because we do shallow breathing mostly in general. So we don't use the lowest parts of our lungs. So there may be carbon dioxide. So we need to clean the lungs regularly, and also the excess carbon dioxide which is accumulated will be removed with this. So first, apply Gyan Mudra with the left hand, close the right nostril and do forceful breathing in and out from left side only. This helps to clean the left lung. Okay, so we'll do. So this way, try to repeat 20 to 30 forceful breathing and take a long deep breath and relax. So similarly, we'll do with the right nostril also. Close the left nostril, apply Gyan Mudra with the right hand. And relax. Okay friends, so do practice these very beneficial breathing exercises and cure your asthma completely at home. No need of going for any medicines. And if there is any stress or irritability due to these asthmatic attacks, you can relieve your stress and depression or any other disturbance by doing meditation. Please do watch my videos on meditation. Just play the video and relax yourself to relax your stress and tension or anxiety if you have any. And please do practice these breathing exercises which are very beneficial and cure yourselves completely. Make yourselves happy and healthy. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Namaste.